What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all having a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I want to name off a couple of things that I am super grateful for in my life. First, I would like to thank God for my health and my family and all the people that are close to me that support me and love me, and also all of you loyal followers who have been the drive behind this channel and who have kept me going and kept me not giving up, and it's been amazing. I love you guys so much. Also, I want to thank all my haters. Don't think I have forgotten about you guys. I love you guys as well. You guys sometimes give me a real good laugh. And what else am I thankful for? I'm thankful for my welder, thankful for my frame machine. I'm just kidding, but I am thankful for all those things. But I already said the important things, so let's dive right into the video. Before we jump back onto the Alfa, we have to save Thanksgiving dinner, so I am going to weld this ladle up for Willie's mother, and hopefully after my little upgrade, it will not come apart like this. I think this was made in Taiwan, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of American engineering here. What do you guys think? Is that gonna hold? I think it's gonna hold. I'm gonna grind it down real quick, and then we will hand it off to Willie's mom. Did I go a little overboard? Maybe, but this just shows you how much I like that General. So I polished up the ladle a little bit, and everything looks really good. You really can't even tell that it was broken. And I can't wait to see Willie's mom's reaction when I show it to her, and I really want to see what she's gonna say. She's probably just gonna be like, it's crooked. But it was crooked before. And since it has been a while, I'm going to give you guys a little shop update on what has been going on. I've got the RS3 up on the frame machine, and we've got the new hydraulic unit here as well. Look at that, guys. We are pumping electronically now, you know, Tesla style. We've got the Freed Air bicycle, which is super fast and super cool to ride, guys. If you are interested in one of these, get on the internet and Google Freed Air right there. I tell you, I dare Freed Air. And I've also got the dual 1500 watt bicycle build for the girlfriend. You know, she wants to be able to run away, and you know, that's what you got to do. You got to keep her happy. A little sneak peek on the Denali. Check that out, guys. This is going to be an insane build. And of course, a lot of you guys are going to be super happy to see the G-Wagon inside the garage. We've got all the parts over there in the corner. We've got a new frame for the G-Wagon. Guys, this thing's about to be absolutely insane. We've got wheels, exhaust, steering wheel, a full kit. Oh man, this thing's going to be amazing. So stay tuned for that. And now let's get to work. Hey, them boys moved to California, came back within 1 week. Yeah. I barely have to press it because it's just way too powerful.
What? Is it strong?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Stronger than the other one?
Oh yeah. Oh. Jake just pulled up and I hooked him up with some sweet lug nuts.
Gonna be poking out perfect.
Poking out perfect.
Double protection too.
Double protection. And look, got the socket to it as well. Man, guys, look at this truck. I don't think I've seen a sexier Ford.
Like that color match front end?
Color match front end.
Nothing crazy, you know.
I love it.
Nothing crazy.
It looks really good. Got the nice rough country shocks.
Yeah, fender flares.
Fender flares.
Color matched.
I'm telling you, man. Bro, look at this thing.
Perfect setup right here. And I put the black 3D little logo on the back. You know, Super Duty. Nice little touch to it. VW hitch.
She ready to work.
Oh yeah.
Ready to work. Yeah, and now see that was the finishing touch, the lug nuts.
The lug nuts.
The lug nuts just finished it off.
Hook me up, man.
All right, let's grab the gun and tighten it down.
Bolt them down, yeah.
How many Ooga-doogas would you say that is?
How many Ooga-doogas?
Professionally speaking.
5.5.
5.5 Ooga-doogas.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, don't damage your rotors, boy. Do them, yeah, do them.
Yeah, order them for some reason. Milwaukee coming in handy. Hey, Black Friday deals at Home Depot and Lowe's.
Right now?
Yeah.
Black Friday.
Black Friday deals. Milwaukee for impact, $100, whole kit. Home Depot.
For a small impact?
Small impact. Fuel.
That's a pretty good deal.
It is.
I just bought rims and tires though, so.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is gonna look sick. Just wait.
Keep us stock. Damn, bro, this truck is just perfect.
I'm telling you, man.
Black silver, but this silver right here with the black accents, man.
It's literally the perfect truck. Look at that. Somebody is going to get so lucky with this truck right here, because every detail has been taken care of. Every single thing has been gone over. Entire truck's been painted, and it's got a beautiful paint job. Didn't Paul paint this thing?
Paul painted this side right here in the bed. Beautiful job, amazing.
It looks really good, man. It looks original. I've got the quarter panel pretty okay. I need to actually straighten out the bottom right here a little bit and a little bit right there in the corner. But other than that, it looks really good. The gap looks pretty good. I think I need to close the gap up right there, and she's ready for body work. But I am worn out and I need to clean this mess up and it's Thanksgiving weekend, so let's get out of here. Also, I want to add that I am grateful for everyone who helped me with this car. It was a long journey and a painful process, but I had a lot of good people around me that helped me out as much as they could, and we are here. And check this out, guys. I actually added a couple more mods. V-tuned seat bucket. Yeah, no, I'm kidding. I put this carbon wheel on here, and I put these competition seats. Look at that. Pretty sick, right? And guys, I have some Apex rims on the way, and as soon as the rims go on, she's going up for sale. So whoever wants this thing, you're gonna get a steal of a deal. You ready for it?
Oh yes. Hello guys. What you put on? Oh shit! Damn! Thanksgiving. Thank you so much. You fix it very good.
I put an extra piece of metal on there too.
Damn. No wonder. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my girlfriend here, right there, right there. Thank you.